Hello YouTuber, welcome to Labony Kitchen. Today I'm giving you a little update on the potato planting. As you can see on here, we have planted some potato little pillars, and they have grown this so far. One thing we have to bear in mind on these plants, as you can see, we got quite bug on there, and we need some bug killer at the moment. And in terms of looking after, this really doesn't require that much of caring, and at the moment I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 plants, and all of them are quite grown, and they are really looks beautiful. So we had a little space outside our house where we have planted this, and these are a British potato that we purchased from the shop, you know, the daily eating potato, and we saw some roots coming out, and that's we actually planted here. Well, Labony actually planted here, so I'm giving you a little update that it took about 3 to 4 weeks to grow this far, and it's grown quite a bit. All I need to do is to add some bug killer at the moment. And in terms of the food plant or fertilizer, I haven't used that much. Only thing we added is some compost, multi-purpose compost we added when we planted the actual potato pills. So that's all we added. There isn't anything else we had added here. These plants really require some bug killer at the moment. As you can see, the leaves, they are quite eaten by the you know, bug. So they are flourishing at the moment, but within probably few weeks this potato will be able to give, you know, the real potato. And then it takes about 3 to 4 months, if you don't know already. We previously grown quite a bit, and we probably grown about 3 foot by 4 foot space, and they gave us about 10 kilograms of potato, and most of them were really in good shape. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and look for our next video. Until then, bye bye.